Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and repair the belt on your LG dryer. If your dryer isn't running or you hear a strange noise when the drum is spinning, it might be time to check or replace this part before you get hands dirty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are appliancepartspros.com. For the job, we're going to need a power tool with the Phillips bead and the vacuum cleaner. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off. And also turn the gas off. The dryer belt runs over the drum and idler pulley and hooks up to the motor pulley. When the motor runs, the belt rotates the drum. A broken belt releases tension from the idler pulley, disengaging the belt switch, cutting power to the motor. First of all, you can test the belt by turning the drum manually. If it turns easy, then the belt most likely is gone. To confirm, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 3 screws from the back of the top panel. Slide the top back and out. Look at the top of the drum. If you don't see the belt, don't worry, it's at the bottom of the dryer. If it's still on the drum, pull on it, and if it ends up in your hand, don't hesitate, replace the belt. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the flathead screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, one on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screw from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs. Pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about 1 inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. When replacing the belt, check the idler pulley and the drum rollers. They could be the reason for the belt failure. This is the old belt next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Place the belt on the drum with the ribs inside. Install the drum inside. Make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley, push the idler pulley up, and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum 1 full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with the 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flat blade screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Mount the control panel. Install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock, and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flatbed screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Great job tackling the belt replacement on your LG dryer. We hope everything went smoothly and your dryer is up and running again. We would love to hear your experience, so feel free to share how your repair went in the comments below. If you still need a replacement belt or any other part, head over to appliancepartspros.com, where most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for allowing us to guide you through this repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.